right, boys and girls, here's your Heggerty for today. So I'm going to show you a card, and I want you to tell me the sound it says. Ready? Ah. Well, it's a vowel because it's in red. See how it's in red? So it can say I as in cry, so say I. Or it can say E as in baby, so say E. So this says I or E. What does Y say? I or E. Now this one says Y as in yellow, and it's in black, so you know it's a consonant sound. B. G. V as in van. Oh. W. Qua. All right, this one is not voiced. Good job. As in thumb. This one is voiced. As in feather. No. All right, boys and girls, I want you to tell me in the comments, too, what CK and what NG and SH and CH and TH voiced and TH unvoiced are called. Yes, they're consonants, but I need to know what it's called when you put two consonants together to make one sound. Remember, two consonants put together to make one sound. What is that called? You're going to leave that in the comments. All right, so today I'm going to say the compound word, and you're going to repeat the word, and we're going to segment it into two words. So put your hands together. Say the word airplane. Airplane. All right. Next one. Downtown. Downtown. No, we don't have to clap it because we're breaking it apart. All right, next one. Caveman. Caveman. Playroom. Playroom. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Farmhouse. Farmhouse. Mailman. Mailman. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. Waterfall. Waterfall. All right, the next one, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to add the ending and say what the new word is. Ready? Say the word skate. Oh, I had the wrong hand. Say the word skate. Add board. What do we get? Yeah, skateboard. Wind. Add mill. Windmill. Spot. Add light. Spotlight. Say wild cat, wildcat. Grass hopper, grasshopper. Wind shield, windshield. Cup cake, cupcake. All right, I'm going to say the word. You're going to repeat the word. We are going to leave part of the word out and see what is left, and what the new word will be. So say the word airplane. Airplane. Without air, we're left with plane. Say eyesight. Eyesight. Without eye, we're left with? Good job. Anyone. Anyone. Without any, we're left with? Nice job. Playhouse. Playhouse. Without play, we have house. Bookworm. Bookworm. Without book, we have worm. Handshake. Handshake. Without hand, we have shake. Rainfall. Rainfall. Without rain, we have fall. Watercolor. Watercolor. Without water, we have lifeguard. Lifeguard. Without life, we have guard. And we're going to change the ending word to make a new word. So say the word sandstorm. Okay, ready? We have sand, storm. Change storm to box. Sandbox. Good job. Blackboard. We have blackboard. Change board to bird. Blackbird. Say newsletter. Newsletter. Change letter to paper. Newspaper. Workbook. Say workbook. Change book to out. So what do we have? Workout. Snowsuit. Snowsuit. Change suit to flake. Snowflake. Blueberry. Blueberry. Change berry to bird. We have bluebird. Hairstyle. Hairstyle. Change style to brush. Hairbrush. Doorway. Doorway. Change way to knob. We get doorknob. Homeroom. Homeroom. Change room to work. We get homework. Somewhere. Somewhere. Change where to time and we get sometime. Good job. All right, the next part, I'm going to say a sentence and you need to repeat the sentence and tell me how many letters it has, okay? So here we go. Is the playground wet today? How many words? Is the playground wet today? 5. I like to play outside. I like to play outside. 5. Outside is one word, so it's 5. Everybody must take turns. 4. We had a huge thunderstorm. Huge thunderstorm. How many? 5. We like to play in the sandbox. To play in the sandbox. How many? 7. All right, boys and girls, it's the end of your Heggerty lesson. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.